Hi guys, I'm Kerry. In this video, you learn the difference between your and your. Your. Your is a contraction of you are. It has no other uses. Trick. If you cannot expand your to you are in your sentence, then its usage is incorrect. Let's look at these examples. You're not allowed to play video games until this room has been cleaned. Your expands to you are and the sentence makes sense.
Correct.
How about this example? You're such a good friend. Your expands to you are and the sentence makes sense.
Correct.
You're driving in the wrong direction. Turn right. Your expands to you are and the sentence makes sense.
Correct.
Please open your books and turn to page 68. When we expand your to you are, the sentence does not make sense. Therefore, the usage of your is incorrect. Your should be your. Please open your books and turn to page 68.
Correct.
Your. The word your comes before another word, usually a noun or a pronoun, to show that it belongs to you or is related to you. For example, your car, your shoes, your picture, your phone, your sister. Let's look at these examples. Ah, so you haven't cleaned your room yet. Room equals belonging to you. I'm so grateful for you and your family. Family is related to you, your family.
Correct.
It's unfortunate your GPS has stopped working as this map isn't very helpful. GPS equals belonging to you.
Correct.
Let's look at the difference. Mrs. Barron, I didn't understand your explanation. You are speaking too fast. Could you explain more slowly? Let's practice. Choose your or your. Time is up, and here are the answers. Great job, guys! Like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay grammarous. Bye, bye, bye! Yeah.